Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It is Tuesday, December 15th, and we haven't done this in a really long time, but this is actually a K-8 morning assembly today. I wasn't planning on this. I actually had another one that I'd already filmed, but one of our classes did something really cool to help spread joyfulness that all of you guys need to hear about. So we're going to show you that today. But first, let's get started by doing the Pledge of Allegiance. And if you're at home this week, that's okay. You can just go ahead and stand up and do the Pledge of Allegiance with us. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. You guys can go ahead and have a seat. Hey, it's also dressed like a staff member day, and I'm dressed like Mr. Alderson today. Yeah, actually, we happen to have matching jackets. Every once in a while, we wear them on the same day. I hope you guys dressed up today. I can't wait to see who is dressed as who. I heard there might be some tiny little Mr. Wrights running around. All right, I'll come see you guys later and check that out. So we've been talking about joyfulness and how you spread joyfulness at Christmas time, but all other times of the year too, and how you're trying to make people happy, like really happy deep down. So I got to show you something that's pretty cool here. So 7th grade made this, a little greetings card to everyone at Achieve from 7th grade. There it is. It says, Season's greetings from 7th grade. And look at this. They've got some pets in here. Look at that. Chloe's got her cat. Look right down there. Jack's got, I covered Jack's face up. Oh, Jack's got his lizard on his shoulder. Sienna's got her cat. Looks like other Jack has his bird. And here's what it says. Meowie Christmas, happy holidays, and a happy Zoom year, because 7th grade is on Zoom again this week. We've all been on Zoom this year, but 7th grade is on Zoom right now. Do you like that? Instead of Merry Christmas, since they're showing their pets, it says Meowie Christmas. I love it. That's awesome, 7th grade. I'm so glad that you did that and shared it with all of us. So here's my challenge for everybody else. If you have something that's happening in your class that's awesome this week, or if you want to send out a message to the rest of the school, please do that and have your teacher send it to me, and I'll put it in morning assembly, and you can just make everybody's day around the campus. So have a great day today, send me some pictures. If you have something amazing going on, we want to see it, and spread the joy, spread the love, send a little message to your students, to your fellow students all over campus. Have a great day, Achieve.